Stop counting the days lost in the rhythm.
President Biden speaks on Friday at Delaware State University in Dover on student debt relief. President Biden speaks on Friday at Delaware State University in Dover on student debt relief. A federal appeals court has temporarily blocked President Biden's student loan forgiveness plan, preventing any debt repayment. However, the administration is encouraging people to continue submitting their applications. The Friday evening verdict comes less than a week since the application portal went live. Already almost 22 million people, more than half of the qualified borrowers, have signed up. Administration could have started processing applications and changing loan balances from Sunday. The order does not reverse the trial court's dismissal of the case, or suggest that the case has merit, White House Press Secretary Karine Jean-Pierre said in a statement Friday night. It merely prevents debt from being discharged until the court makes a decision. The ban was imposed by the U.S. Eighth Circuit Court of Appeals issued reviewing a motion by 6 Republican-led states to stop the program. It's one of several lawsuits aimed at challenging the program. Earlier this week, Supreme Court Justice Amy Coney Barrett dismissed similar efforts by a Wisconsin taxpayer group. What happened in the court case? Arkansas, Missouri, Nebraska, Iowa, Kansas, and South Carolina. Earlier this week, a federal judge dismissed the case, saying it was without merit. The group then appealed, asking a federal appeals court to temporarily suspend the program while the appeals court reviews the case. What should those who have not yet applied do? The application on studentaid.gov remains open. Jean-Pierre said the temporary order does not prevent borrowers from applying for relief, and she encouraged eligible borrowers to do so if they had not already done so. What happens to people who have already applied for debt relief? According to Jean-Pierre, the court decision does not prevent the federal government from reviewing applications or preparing documents for credit servicers. We are moving full speed ahead to be ready to deliver relief to borrowers, Education Minister Miguel Cardona said. Today's temporary decision does not stop the Biden administration's efforts to provide borrowers the opportunity to apply for debt relief, nor does it prevent us from reviewing the millions of applications we have received, he said. How long does the court suspension last? One of two things can happen in the coming days. Either the court can issue an injunction and the break lasts longer, or it can dismiss the case and the program can continue. The Federal Appeals Court is expected to announce a verdict early next week.